Vivo launches its new smartphone under V50 lineup in India called Vivo V50e, with smart AI features. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo V50e features a tall 6.77-inch Full HD Plus quad curved AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1800 nits of peak brightness support, and the screen is protected by diamond shield glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset, paired with Mali G615 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo V50e sports a dual camera setup on the rear, that houses a 50-megapixel main camera, with Sony's IMX882 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, with 116-degree field of view. For selfies it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes equipped by a massive 5600 mAh battery, with 90 watts flash charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with FunTouch OS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.29 by 76.72 by 7.61 millimeters, and it weighs around 186 grams. So now let's see the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo V50e has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 28,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 30,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in sapphire blue and pearl white color options, and it is said to go on sale starting from April 17th. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo V50e 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.